Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Step by Step Gate Preparation Simplified by Architect Shalu Mittal. Friends, in my last video, I have discussed urban planning theories like linear city, garden city, broadacre city, radiant city, industrial town. If you have not gone through video yet, I have shared the link in description box. Continuing with more urban planning theories that are concentric zone model, sector model, multiple nuclei model, and cities and urban forms, cities and their planners. Questions based on these topics are frequently asked in GATE exam. Now starting with the topic. Concentric zone model proposed by Ernest Burgess. Cities in form of concentric circular zones. City is in the form of concentric circular zones. These are divided into A, B, C, D, E, F. A is the central business district, that is CBD. B is factory zone. C is zone of transition. D is working class zone. E is residential zone. F is commuter zone. The theory helped generate bid rent curve, which further helped in calculating the price demand dynamics of real estate. Now coming to next partial theory, that is sector model. This is proposed by Homer Hayat, also called Hayat model, improved version of Burgess model. This is improved version of Burgess model. According to this, cities do not develop as simple rings but have sectors. These have sectors. These are divided into 5 sectors. First is CBD, then second is factory, third one is low class residential, fourth is middle class residential, fifth is high class residential. Now coming to next spatial theory, that is multiple nuclei model. This concept was proposed by Chauncey Harris and Edward Ullman in an article, The Nature of Cities. This is the planning diagram. This is CBD, 2 is manufacturing unit, that is low manufacturing. Third is low class residential. Fourth one is medium class residential. Fifth is high class residential. Sixth one is heavy manufacturing. Seventh is outlying business district. Eighth is residential suburb, and ninth one is the industrial suburb. Second one is the light manufacturing, and sixth is the heavy manufacturing. All right. Now coming to the cities and their urban forms. Tokyo, sheet form. Detroit, star form. New Delhi, radial form or ring form. Mumbai, linear form. Copenhagen, finger plan. Washington DC, gridiron or polycentered net urban form. Starland, linear city. San Francisco, polycentered net urban form. Chandigarh, based on V7 gridiron plan. What is V7 concept? That is given by Le Corbusier. System of 7 road types. V1 is roads with fast traffic connecting Chandigarh to other towns. A2 is the arterial roads. V3 are the fast vehicular roads. V4 are the shopping streets. V5 are the sector circulation roads. V6 access road to houses. V7 footpaths and cycle tracks. Now coming to cities and their planners. Cities like Islamabad, redevelopment plan of Philadelphia and Istiqvik by C.A. Doxiadis. Next is Jamshedpur, Bhubaneswar and Mysore. Planner is Otto Kongsberger. Next is Chandigarh, designed by Le Corbusier. New Delhi, designed by Edwin Lutyens. Vidyadhar Nagar, Jaipur, V.V. Doshi. City Planner of Jaipur, Rajasthan, Vidyadhar Bhattacharya. Planned and developed Philadelphia, William Penn. This is the first of all we have noted that the redevelopment of Philadelphia by C.A. Doxydis, and now the planned and developed Philadelphia by William Penn. Then Gandhinagar, Gujarat, Prakash M. Apte and H.K. Mewada. Now the previous year questions. Finger plan concept of urban planning was initially adopted in, answer is Copenhagen. Which of the following is not a classical spatial theory of land use planning? Concentric zone theory, multiple nuclei theory, centripetal theory, sector theory. A, B and D, concentric zone, multiple nuclei, sector theory, these are all the classical spatial theory, but the centripetal theory is not a classical spatial theory. So the answer of this question is centripetal theory. C. V7 concept given by Le Corbusier refers to hierarchy of roads. The urban land use model based on concept of polycentric city is known as Harris and Ullman model. Alright. Next is Greater London Plan 1944 was prepared by Patrick Abercrombie. Next is the National Commission on Urbanization was chaired by, answer is Charles Correa. Next question is author of concentric zone concept is, answer is Ernest Burgess. Question number 8 is concept of self-supporting industrial town was proposed by, answer is Robert Owen. Question number 9, Washington DC is an example of, answer is poly-centered net urban form. In Burgess concentric zone, model 1920 dash is characterized by mixed residential and commercial establishment, answer is zone of transition. In Burgess concentric zone model 1920, zone of transition is characterized by mixed residential and commercial establishment. Alright. That's all for today. If you found this video interesting, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Friends, if you have any doubts, please write in comment section below. In the next video, we will discuss more planning theories like concept of neighborhood unit, central place theory and acoustics. And also we will talk about smart city mission and the previous year question based on all these topics. Alright. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and stay motivated. Bye.